In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image in Google AI Studio. We'll walk through the process from opening Google AI Studio all the way to generating your image, and it's a very straightforward workflow once you know where each option is located. To get started, go to Google AI Studio in your browser. If you're searching for it, open the official Google AI Studio result so you land on the correct page. Once the site opens, you'll be taken into the workspace where you can start a new prompt. From there, click on the default model selector. This is the menu that lets you choose what kind of model you want to use, and it's important because not every model supports image generation. After opening that menu, click on Images. This filters the available options so you can focus specifically on models designed to create images instead of text-only responses. Next, click on the model that supports image generation. Choosing the correct model is what enables the image creation feature, so if you don't see image output later, this is usually the first place to double check. Once the image-capable model is selected, type in your prompt. This is where you describe the image you want the AI to create. Try to be clear and specific with your wording so the result matches your idea more closely. For example, include details like the subject, style, colors, setting, or mood if those matter for the final image. The better your description, the more useful the generated result will usually be. When your prompt is ready, click Run. Google AI Studio will process your request and generate the image based on what you entered. That's the full process for creating an image in Google AI Studio. If your first result isn't exactly what you want, you can refine the prompt and run it again to improve the output.